Disclaimer, this channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for educational purposes only. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Viper channel. Now, in this video, I'm going to break down the full step-by-step process on how to rug pull meme coins on Solana. This video is going to be for beginners, so we're going to break down what a rug pull actually is, what a bundle is, how developers do this, and etc. And I guarantee you, if this is the first time you're watching the Viper channel, you will never have seen this before. I am the only creator on here that is actually explaining the workflow and the process behind launching, pumping, dumping, rug pulling coins. Every other developer out there is leading you to some scammy drainer website that is just there to take your money. They are telling you to use bundlers which don't work, and they are just liabilities for your life. So with that being said, let's get straight into it. First of all, what is a rug pull? Now, there are two versions of a rug. We're going to look at the definition version of a rug pull and then what the common crypto meme coin trader says a rug pull is. So first of all, the definition version of a rug pull is this is a developer, this is you, and in order to make your coin live, you have to add some liquidity. You have to add some liquidity to it. So this developer spends 5 Solana in liquidity into the LP pool, and in return, he gets 1 million P tokens. Now, these tokens are the most important tokens in the whole of crypto. The reason being is, if this developer doesn't lock these tokens or burn these tokens, he has direct access to the LP pool. And the liquidity pool works like this. If there are 10 traders, 5 of them buy 2 Solana, 5 of them sell 1 Solana. That means there will be 5 times 2 Solana going into the pool, so plus 10 Solana will be put into the pool. 5 traders will sell 1 Solana, so 5 times 1 equals 5, meaning 5 Solana will leave the liquidity pool. That means, in total, there will be 10 Solana going in, 5 Solana going out, which means 5 Solana will be left over. And if the developer for any project has the liquidity pool tokens, he can sell the net difference. If there's 1,000 Solana going in and 700 Solana going out, he can simply take 300 Solana by selling the LP tokens and in return getting Solana for this. It gets flipped. That is why you see people say, burn the LP tokens, lock the LP tokens, because they lose access to these tokens. Now, that is what a rug pull is. A rug pull is the developer selling the liquidity pool tokens back to Solana. But many people would also say that this is a rug pull. It starts off at 10k market cap, it goes to 300k, and then it crashes down to 5k. They would look at this chart and they will say, this coin got rug pulled. Although this isn't a rug pull, this is what we're going to be referring to because that's what everyone says a rug pull is. Everyone just assumes that a 99% dump is a rug pull. Remember, if you actually do get rug pulled, you can't sell your tokens. There is no liquidity. You can go from having $1 million in tokens to literally $1. If it crashes 99%, you can still sell a little bit, but if you actually got rug pulled, you won't even be able to sell for $1. So how do you do this? This is the step-by-step process. Step 1 is coin creation. Now, the way you do this well is you follow what's already pumping. Let's say there are a lot of cat coins pumping. This means that cats are the meta, they are the narrative, they are the trend. Now, what this means is pretty much what are traders buying? What is the meta? The meta can be dogs, it can be Donald Trump, it can be AI tokens, it can be robots, etc. And in order to attract the most amount of buyers and the most amount of traders to buy your coin, you need to launch within the meta. So that's number 1. When you create your coin, make sure it's within the meta. Then you need to make the socials for it, and many people think this isn't important. Well, let me give you another fact. 99.9% of tokens deployed on Pump Fund don't go past 50k in market cap. And also, 99.9% of tokens launched on Pump Fund don't have socials. Developers are lazy, and traders can see through this. If you put effort and time into creating your coin, you will be rewarded. So make sure your socials are good. Make the website look nice. Make the Telegram work. Make the X account active, and you will get more buys, I promise you. Then you need to come up with a logo, a description, and a banner. Make sure this isn't some sloppy 5-second AI generated art. Make sure people look at this and it's either funny or it's unique. Also, if you can include some sort of story within your coin, that is amazing. An example of this would be, let's say a cat coin called Viper formed a meta. It went to $50 million in market cap. You can use this to your advantage. Make another cat coin and call it Piper, let's say. And you can say that Piper is the son of Viper, or it's the daughter of Viper, or it's the mother of Viper. If it has a story, traders are more likely to buy it. So this is all you need to do with coin creation. Once you've created a coin that traders will actually buy and you put effort into this coin, it's time to launch and bundle. One of the biggest mistakes I see new developers make is they launch during any period of time. That is wrong. You need to launch during peak trading hours. And the reason why this is important is because platforms like Dex Screener, like Telegram trending bots, they all work based on this. How long ago was the coin released, so time, and how much volume has it brought in, plus volume. So if you launch a coin and it doesn't do well because America is sleeping and there's no liquidity, then America wakes up and it starts pumping, it's going to be much harder for your coin to trend. But if you launch a coin in peak trading hours and it starts pumping straight away, your coin will trend higher and it will trend much faster, meaning you will get more buys and you will make more money. But you can only make more money if you bundle correctly. Now, summarize bundling. Instead of buying from one single dev wallet, let's say you buy 10 Solana, you hold 10% of supply, you split this up across 10 different wallets, 20 different wallets, 50 different wallets, and they all buy your token. Now, in the end, you're still holding 10% of supply, you've still spent 10 Solana in these buys. It's the exact same as buying off one wallet, but instead of a huge red flag, this is a green flag. If you do this well, you can hold 50% of a coin. People will see this as a green flag because they will think all of these are different traders. They will see volume, they will see green, they will buy. Now, whatever you do, don't use bundlers. Don't use any Telegram bundlers, don't use any softwares. If you see anyone promoting a bundler, block them straight away. I promise you, I've been on calls with the biggest developers out there, the ones that have made millions of dollars launching. None of them use these bundlers like Vortex or these Telegram bundlers. All of the biggest coins you see, even though it doesn't look like they are bundled, they are bundled. And that's because they use special methods that people don't even know about. I teach you this inside of Viper. I learned this from a very, very successful developer. I paid thousands of dollars to learn this, and you're getting it included in the package. So you've created an amazing coin, you've launched it during peak trading hours, and you've bundled it. The graph looks something like this. You've launched it, you've bundled it, price has gone up slightly. How do you get it from 10k market cap to 500k? The only way you do that is if you get people to buy it. And the only way you can get people to buy it is if they actually see your coin. And that is where marketing comes into play. Now, there are 101 different ways to market. You can use KOLs, you can use callers, you can use Dex Screener ads and Dex Screener boosts. You can do Dex enhanced token info. You can do Telegram trending bots, website trending bots. There are so many ways to market. But this video is for beginners. The only two methods of marketing I recommend that are probably worth your time if you are a beginner is KOLs and callers. A good place to find KOLs is on this website, kolscan.io. You can go into leaderboard, see which KOLs are popping off every single day and promoting good coins. That means they will have a community behind them, since everyone wants to make money. They can see this KOL is making money. So message all of these KOLs, find yourself a good deal, work something out, and get them to promote your coin. Same thing with callers. One single good KOL can have access to 20,000 active traders. And if you followed step 1 correctly, and it's a good coin that traders want to buy, these traders will throw money at your coin. This will cause the coin to pump, and because you bundled, it will cause your bundled position to pump as well. But you've got to be careful because 80% of these KOLs, even on here, are straight scams. They bot up their following to make it seem like their audience is bigger, also that new beginner developers can go onto there, feel like they're getting a good deal for the price, pay the KOL some money, but their coin gets no volume from the promotion. I teach you how to find organic, good quality KOLs inside of Viper, but you can go out there, test it for yourself. But if you don't want to join, if you want to make it yourself like I did, and like many other developers did, you can do it all yourself. You don't need Viper. Viper is just there to save you time and money. Now let's say you find a few good KOLs to promote your coin. Remember, we bundled down here. Let's draw it out in green. We bundled here. We get some promotion going, coin starts pumping. And as it starts pumping from the KOL post, it starts trending on Dex Screener. That means new organic traders will see it. It starts pumping even more. As a little side note, this is where the average trader gets in. They don't get in at the start because they don't see it. They don't get in as it's starting to pump because it's still not trending on Dex Screener. But as soon as it hits Dex Screener trending, as soon as it's 10 or below, or 20 and below, that is when traders get in, and that is when you see the biggest push in price. And when you are at this position as a developer, you are in control of the entire game. You're in control of the supply, you're in control of your profits, and you're in control of literally everything. Because if you bundled a large amount of supply down here, if you sell everything, the price will crash. You will make money by taking the money from all of the traders who have bought in above you. And you have to decide, do you want to sell at 200k market cap, or do you want to keep holding and push the price higher? Or you want to do a soft rug where you slowly sell each wallet little by little until the graph starts going down, and then you can sell everything and plummet the price further. This is literally the step-by-step process that I use and that the developers that have taught me use on a day-to-day basis. They make a good quality perfect coin that traders want to buy. Then they launch it and they bundle a large position. They get some promotion going. This pumps the price. This pumps their bundled position. And from then on out, you can decide for yourself. Are you going to sell at 100k, just quickly do another project and keep doing this? Or are you going to go for that big score? Go for $1 million in market cap, 2 million, 3 million, and potentially walk away with hundreds of thousands of dollars in profit. Like I've mentioned in my video, you can join Viper and save yourself hundreds of hours. I will give you the blueprint to doing this form of rug pulling with KOLs, doing this form of rug pulling, doing a soft rug, doing a legit project, how to make the website, how to bundle, where to sell, how to sell, etc. You will save yourself so much money by learning what works instantly. We have nothing but 5-star reviews, and I promise you this will be the best decision that you make in terms of your launching career. I give you my word that I will literally turn you into a money-making, meme coin creating machine. And with that being said, I hope to see you inside of here, and if not, I will see you in the next video.